Can the brain renew itself? For about 100 years, the prevailing belief in the scientific community was that brain cells or neurons could not be renewed. According to this view, your fundamental brain development occurred between birth and the age of 3. In other words, science told us that adult brains can't generate new brain cells and that we have to make do with the cells we were born with. Knowing that there are cells that cannot be replaced once lost is quite distressing, because in such a scenario, a simple injury, accident, or even the aging process itself can lead to irreversible consequences. Fortunately, recent discoveries have taken our understanding of the brain to a whole new level. One of the most exciting discoveries was the realization that brain cells can be renewed throughout life. Now we know that neurogenesis, the formation of new brain cells, is possible and occurs every day. Neurogenesis is different from neuroplasticity, although they are related concepts. Neuroplasticity is the brain's ability to form new connections and pathways, altering the connections of circuits. On the other hand, neurogenesis is the brain's astonishing capacity to produce new neurons. Neurogenesis holds a more awe-inspiring aspect compared to neuroplasticity. Working with what's already there is one thing, but being able to replace dead neurons offers us entirely new opportunities. Neurogenesis can open up new horizons in areas like dementia treatment and prevention, recovery from traumatic brain injuries, complete healing for paralyzed patients, and possibly other fields we haven't even considered yet. When we look at the rates of neurogenesis in individuals who adopt a specific lifestyle, it is clear that our lifestyles affect neurogenesis. There are many ways discovered to enhance the rate of growth of new neurons. Let's take a closer look at these methods. 1. Acquiring new experiences. Activities such as learning a new skill, a new language, traveling, forming new or deeper social connections, and dealing with mental challenges trigger the production of new neurons. Stepping out of our comfort zone, experiencing new things, and engaging in activities that mentally challenge us lead to an increased rate of neurogenesis. New experiences and challenges are crucial not just because they trigger new neuron growth, but also because they help the new brain cells to survive in the long term. A lifestyle enriched with diverse experiences also includes basic needs like quality sleep. Proper sleep helps detoxify the brain from toxins. Additionally, exposure to sunlight triggers the production of vitamin D and growth hormones. 2. Exercise. Exercise, a cornerstone of a healthy life, positively influences both the brain and the body. Activities that get the body moving, like running, cycling, swimming, and even sexual activities are effective in boosting neurogenesis. The goal is to ensure that the heart works intensively for more than 20 minutes regularly. When this happens, levels of certain growth hormones in the brain increase immensely. Furthermore, the increase in endorphin levels helps reduce stress. Excessive stress can hinder the rate of new neuron formation. 3. Diet. Ultimately, we are what we eat. When we provide the body with the right nutrients, it produces the right cells. Consuming the right fats is crucial in diet, as they make up 60% of the brain's raw materials. Omega-3 fatty acids in particular are crucial for neurogenesis. Additionally, occasional fasting or reducing calorie intake has been found to increase the rate of neuron growth. Moreover, experiments on animals have shown that flavonoids support neurogenesis. Flavonoids are a group of compounds found in most fruits and vegetables, responsible for their bright colors like yellow, orange, and red, and they function as antioxidants in the human body. In experiments, cocoa flavonoids were found to accumulate in the brain, offering protective effects against aging, dementia, and stroke. Blueberries, oolong tea, and green tea are also rich in flavonoids. These compounds were found to increase neurogenesis in the hippocampus. Based on experiments on animals, research suggests that consuming foods rich in flavonoids supports brain health. Add these 9 foods to your diet to renew your brain cells. 1. Blueberries. Blueberries contain a type of flavonoid called anthocyanin. These flavonoids have antioxidant properties and can have beneficial effects on health. 2. Red onion. Red onion contains a flavonoid called quercetin. Quercetin may have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. 3. Strawberries. Strawberries contain flavonoids like anthocyanins and catechins. These flavonoids can provide protection against free radicals. 4. Green tea. Green tea contains a group of flavonoids called catechins. Catechins have antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. 5. Rosemary. Rosemary contains a flavonoid called rosmarinic acid. Rosmarinic acid have antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. 6. Red grapes. Red grapes contain flavonoids like quercetin and resveratrol. Resveratrol is known for its beneficial effects on heart health. 7. Soybeans. Soybeans contain a group of flavonoids called isoflavones. These flavonoids can support hormonal balance. 8. Red cabbage. Red cabbage is a vegetable containing anthocyanin. These anthocyanins have antioxidant properties. 9. Broccoli. Broccoli contains flavonoids like quercetin. It also contains compounds like indole-3-carbinol, which have health benefits. If you want to be informed about the latest videos in our channel, please subscribe and click on the bell icon. In this way, you'll be notified whenever we upload new content. Have a healthy and pleasant day.